This is a message to my previous students that have taken our truck dispatcher and also our advanced freight broker course. Please utilize this channel of mine to get very well acquainted with all things logistics concerning freight brokering, trucking, and dispatching. It would be a great idea for you to go through all kinds of different scenarios throughout the entirety of the channel. There are a lot of valuable things that you can take away from and apply to your own business. So this is a PSA for all of you just that have taken the course, that are previous students, to please go ahead and look through it, get some valuable insights, and run with it and apply it to your own business, because what I talk about on the channel is purely unedited stuff. There are no added Hollywood type of things that go on. It's primarily just this is what happened, or this is what I do, and this is how I resolved it, or this is what I did to carry through with it. There are things about paying carriers on time, paying your invoices on time, getting paid by your shippers, finding shippers, how to go about it. So there's additional information to all the things that we talked about as well in the course, respectively. So for all of you previous students, thank you very much for the subscription to the channel, albeit free subscription. And please feel free to go through the channel and get some more information about how this channel can be of use to you in the growth of your career. So thank you very much. Looking forward to conversing with you guys as well in the comments, or whether that could be through email or however you would like to get a hold of me. So thanks again, and looking forward to it. Cheers.